Today's video is going to be about the benefits of creating video content.
Hi, I'm Vic. I'm a mum of two teenagers and I am an entrepreneur. I'm a public speaker and I have a business that I run from this little cupboard here. These are the 10 things why video marketing is important. Vision is our most dominant sense. Video marketing has been around for ages, like commercials and ads, and only the big companies with money can afford to create an ad on TV. But now that social media and YouTube and all the smartphones and cameras, it makes it easy for video marketing, and so everyone can do it, but people don't do it because it is hard to put yourself in front of a camera and talk, and it's awkward, especially small business, middle-aged people in business they're not very camera comfortable, they're very camera shy. I started off being camera awkward as well, but the more you do it, the more you get used to it. YouTube is the largest search engine apart from Google. If you're an influencer or you've got a product or you're a business coach, dog barking. It's good to put things on YouTube because people search on YouTube. Instagram TV, which is supposed to be competing with YouTube as well. So everything is going video. Us in Australia, we're just a little bit behind in terms of our video marketing. If you create a YouTube video, it is evergreen. If you put a video or post on Instagram or Facebook, it goes down on the list, and some people, it depends on when they check their feeds, they may not even see your post. But with YouTube, it doesn't have a priority. You get suggested for sure, but it's mainly also search. People search for how to do things or what to do or 10 top things to do. So it's evergreen. Your video can be relevant and seen 10 years from the date that it's created. Number 4 is that it's really easy. All you have to do is put a camera in front of yourself and you just video and you upload the video. You don't even have to make it professional. I mean, it's good to have a good quality image, it's good to have good quality audio, but you don't actually need to have a very polished video. In fact, a lot of people prefer it unpolished. A lot of viewers prefer things that are unpolished because it's more authentic. Okay, number 5, with a video you can demonstrate your personality. If you have a quirky sense of humor, you're an introvert, extrovert, charismatic, your personality can come across clearer on a video, whereas if you have a still image, that you could read into that still image in so many ways. It doesn't show your personality. People could misread you, misjudge your products. You can demonstrate your products yourself so much quicker and clearer. It is so noisy here. Number 6, video builds trust because it demonstrates your personality. It builds a rapport, and it builds trust in your customer because they feel like they know you. Number 7, Facebook and Instagram likes videos. So if you produce a short video or an Instagram story or a Facebook story, it increases your algorithm up in Facebook and Instagram because you keep your viewers longer on the platform, and Facebook rewards that. Number 8, video appeals to the younger mobile users because they don't have to read anything, they can listen to it, they can watch it while they're doing something, they can watch it in the car, they can just listen to it on a podcast. Younger generations, they don't like to read blogs anymore, they listen to blogs. If they need to do something and to find information, they YouTube it. You can learn anything on YouTube these days. Number 9 is very similar to number 8. It's more engaging to the lazy audience. So people don't like reading, they like watching. And as they say, if you want to teach somebody, you show them how to do it, you engage them, and therefore they will learn quicker and they will be more invested. And the last point, number 10, is that it allows you to go viral. So it allows people to share your posts, say on Instagram, and it allows people to share your YouTube videos. That gives you more reach worldwide. I hope those 10 points are useful and relevant to you. That if you are thinking about starting your own YouTube video, then you don't procrastinate and you just start. Or if you can just start by creating some Instagram stories, because they're not permanent, they go away. If you don't want it so permanent, if you're not comfortable in front of the camera, then I would recommend that you start doing it and get more comfortable. It took me 6 months to get comfortable on camera. I started off YouTubing, helping my daughter with her YouTube channel, and started to be included in her videos, and then now I've just started my own YouTube channel. So thanks for watching. I hope that helps. If you're new to this channel, can you please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification button, so that when we post new videos you can get notified. Give us a thumbs up, and put a comment in the section below. Tell us what you think. Tell us which one is the most useful points, and if there's anything else that we haven't covered, put it on the comment below and I'll answer all the comments. Thanks for watching.